Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a Walmart beauty box to unbox. It's a little bit smushed from the postal service, but hey, that's all right. I got it yesterday and I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I'd better go ahead and do it because I don't know what's in it and I want to see. Ugh. Now the Walmart beauty box is only $5 and it comes, I want to say once a quarter, and they just send them out and you put your number, your credit card or whatever in, and they just charge it the $5 and then send it. So I don't really know when it comes or when it's coming, but it's always fun. And there's about 5 items in it if I'm remembering correctly, and usually they are sample size, but it looks like this one is a regular size. Sculpts and defines smudge-free dual-sided brush for a brow, done-in-one brow pomade. Cool. That's pretty neat. And then let's see, I have Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in Natural Peppermint from Hello. I am a crust girl myself, but this is really nice, especially for traveling. That might be cool. I'm going to put that in my travel bag for sure. And then some dry shampoo in the fresh coconut. And I'm not a big fan of dry shampoo, but my daughter likes it okay. So I'll usually send that to her or give it to her. All-purpose skin cream in called Egyptian Magic. 100% natural balm with honey and olive oil to hydrate and nourish lips, face, and body. Well, that's cool. So it doesn't really smell. I used to love a lip balm that came like this, but I can tell my cuticles need some oil on them. This might come right in handy. This is great. Love it. And then rate and review the season's products. So I guess it's seasonally, and you can win $100. Here is maybe a coupon for the Hello toothpaste. Nope, just an information sheet. It's only, it says, oh no, it doesn't say only. Oh, and look, I have a charcoal mask. Gosh, they really did it up this time. And another something. Collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised, unflavored dietary supplement. How about that? And then looks like a little bag, a Walmart bag. That's fun. Goodness gracious, that's a great for $5. I feel like I hit the lottery. Well, not exactly the lottery, but it's really good. And look, there's 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, 20 collagen peptides. Wonder how many carbs are in here. 0. Oh my, I'm gonna have to try that for sure. It says it's unflavored, so I'll add it to my coffee or something. But that's what I got in this box, and I think it's pretty good. I think my daughter will really like that. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'll give those 2 to my daughter, and I'll use the rest. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.